Hello everyone. Today we will do a basic example on Rust backend in which we use Python as a client. Okay, so here is a diagram which you can see. So I'll use Python as a client. I'll make a call to Rust backend. Then I'll get some API key and token. And using those token, I will proceed with the further calls to the backend. Okay, so here is a project which I developed along with my colleague. Okay, so this project is basically to help Python developer who want to break into the Rust programming. Okay, so there's a Python client and then it makes a call to the Rust backend, and the Rust Axum handler will uh, validate the payload and then proceed with the Postgres. Okay, so yeah, let's begin with an example and we follow the instruction provided in the README. So first I copy this part. Basically, it is copying some environment variables. Okay, which you can see here. This is some information about like all this information will get copied here in the environment. And then I start Docker containers. Okay, so I have got two, I think, two containers. So basically, Postgres, Redis. Okay, so API will not be starting. Mhm. Okay, so container is started. Okay, then I have to run the Rust application. Start the Rust application. Normally it was done here, but somehow I started the container there. So yeah. So before showing this video, I already ran some SQL stuff. That's why it is showing. So my Rust application is running as of now. Okay. Now I try to register the user. Let's see. I already have users. Okay. Let's see what happens if I try to. I might get some. Let's see what happens. Email already exists. So what I do, I open a notepad because it already exists. Python, new user. Okay. Now I okay. So I have got some uh, response. So first I keep token. Copy this token like this, and API key. I also got the API key. API key and this thing. Okay, so I got API key and the token. So JWT token I got and API key I got. Now I send event. Let's see. I write it as JWT token. Maybe I need it in the future. Okay, so first I have to adjust it. The API key, this is the API key. And let's remove it. Okay, okay, so it is queued. Then I try to fetch an analytics summary. So again I enter this command. Now I need JWT token. Total event 1, top event is given in page view. Okay, so now I'm able to get some analytics. Okay, then I already have pip installed in my system. Okay, it is already installed and new version is also available. Okay, so export, nothing. First is export API base. Exported. Okay, now okay. You see the response, and these events are getting stored also. Okay, so I've got a Python script which is communicating with Rust backend. Okay. So everything is getting stored into the Rust, then the Postgres database, which I'll show you. Wait a moment. Events. Article 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pricing. That is, and this was like earlier I did it. So yeah, we are like I think almost done with the examples. This is our structure of a project. Like app is the main class. Okay. So first environment is basically about setting up environment. Second is about database, maximum pool connection. Okay, how SQL is getting migrated. Then setting up Redis client. Okay, then there's a TSP, TCP listener. Hmm. This is the main class. This is for basically for routing. Yeah. For mod address like we are specifying event, all other models here. Okay. In DT also we are following the same pattern. Like we have three data transfer object, analytics, auth, and event. So that we are specifying like this. So yeah, if you come from like Python background, then it would this kind of project would be really helpful to you to start with Rust. Okay, so everything is mentioned in the project, which will make life of Python developer easy, especially if they are if they are thinking to learn Rust. And there are some good extension ideas. However, I did not implement those extension ideas. Yeah, like batch insert in worker, dead letter queue, for failed events, per project API key, idempotency, Kafka or NATS. Okay, so so it is basically a it will give you good overview how to work with Rust, especially Rust web applications. Okay, so yeah, that's all I want to share in this video. And thank you very much for watching this video. I'll share link for this project in case you want to have it. You can get it from there. Okay. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video and have a nice day.